Good morning, everybody, from a beautiful morning here on 7 Mile Beach, where you can see there's a lot of seaweed on this beach here, just past the Kimpton. And just as I was walking, I stepped on something, a wee little sea urchin. I'm not sure if you can see it, so you can focus, but a little sea urchin. It hurt a little bit actually. Toss him back in the water. But yeah, and I have to be careful. The seaweed brings a lot of different crap on the beach, so be careful where I step. But yeah, anyways, good morning to everybody. It's a lovely Sunday morning. Also a little stroll. All this seaweed washed up on the beach is from the tropical storm Ida, which is now Hurricane Ida, which is barreling down on the Louisiana coast in New Orleans. So hopefully it doesn't really affect a lot of people there. Sending our best wishes to everybody who's there. But yeah, it's brought a lot of seaweed. You can see it all the way here. A lot of seaweed. So hopefully, I doubt anyone's going to clean this up too. Might be here for a while. But a beautiful day on the water nonetheless. As you can see, beautiful day. So I think it'd be a real shame if I don't just go in the water here. As you can see behind me, this is the spot that I like. It's a nice little beach here. But there is a lot of seaweed today from the tropical storm. But yeah, nice little, you have these two reefs on both sides. There's a little kind of gap that you can go out if you want to snorkel. So let's go into the water. Why not, eh? Wow, it is very nice day. Show you how clear the water is today. There is a lot of debris. You can see some seaweed over here. And there's these little fish, needlefish that are on the very top of the water. They kind of blend into the color of the ocean. It's very nice to see. But yeah, beautiful day on 7 Mile Beach, guys. Evan dips. Whew. Now I got a little water on the camera. Tough to avoid. Woo. BEA, beautiful. Woo. Getting pretty white, so some vitamin D is much deserved, I think. So the forgot to mention this in the past videos we've had. The government had a press briefing this past week detailing that the reopening plan is still in effect and everything is on schedule. They still believe that they're going to reach the 80% vaccination rate by, I think it said October 14th. So that's good news. Yeah, the government's pretty confident. They're also urging people who haven't got vaccinated to get vaccinated because of this new Delta variant strain that's more contagious. And they're saying along with the FDA approval of Pfizer vaccine, hopefully that gives people more confidence to get vaccinated, which hopefully it does, but I don't think it will really. But yeah, some good news, I guess. The approval of Pfizer vaccine, now FDA approved. Also, I saw something about the Moderna vaccine as well, so hopefully that can put people's minds at ease and get vaccinated. So, but end of that topic, more beautiful Seven Beach. Yeah, there's like, I can see there's seaweed, more seaweed down this beach here, a lot. Came on ashore in the past week or so because of the passing storm, tropical storm Ida, which, as I said earlier, is now a hurricane going towards New Orleans, Louisiana coast. And it's going to be on the 16th anniversary too of Hurricane Katrina, from what I've read and watched. So that's just, what are the odds of that, huh? And they said it might be even bigger storm than Katrina, but we'll have to see. Apparently it's going to hit later this evening, Sunday evening, around 7 o'clock. But we shall see. Keep our prayers for the folks in Louisiana and surrounding areas. Kind of Jeep I want. There's a guy in a Jeep in the sand. And Gabby always wanted to get what's it called, Jeep Cherokee. Lovely car for the island. Nice vehicle for the island. Put a lot of stuff in there. You can take the impact of the weather. Whew. What a pleasant day, except for the seaweed, you know. I saw in an article in the Cayman News Service that they're taking some of the seaweed, the sargassum, which is this stuff, and they're trying to extract the nutrition for the soil. I forget how they're doing it exactly, but you would think there'd be too much salt in this stuff for good for the land. But yeah, a lovely day. Clear water, except this seaweed. As earlier I stepped on a little sea urchin. I think it could have been a lot worse, could have been a bigger sea urchin. So yeah, if there's ever seaweed, you gotta be careful because there's always like random sea creatures in between the seaweed and garbage. What? Little mockingbird. Yeah, you can see that. What the heck? It's like a ball or something. Weird. Yeah, you can always find garbage along with seaweed, unfortunately. A sad reality. Yeah, this is the worst affected area right here. Right by the Kimpton. You can see the dark water, that's all seaweed. And it's coming ashore. I remember when I used to work at the Marriott when I first came on island. We would get a lot of seaweed in the winter months. That's when we get those like northwester storms, and it brings the stuff out. It really affects the beach, and we have to clean it up, and it's hard work. We had to get there around 5 a.m. when we leave, like at 5 p.m. like crazy. Yeah, you see, it brings cans, other stuff like that. But you can see it just super dark here. That's all seaweed. And it'll eventually get on this beach. I'm just be careful where I'm stepping because I don't want to step on another sea urchin. Luckily it wasn't too painful. I survived. But yeah, it's a ton of the seaweed. I see less of it over down by Governor's and Public Beach, but there's a lot here. Alright folks, that will conclude this video. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I shaved. I look a little bit younger, as Gabby says, hoping. But nice to have a fresh start and just different feel of the wind on your face or on my beard and feeling some fun. Clean shaven. You can see some clouds in the background. Hopefully it doesn't rain today, but we'll see what happens. Nice little breeze too, which is nice. Nice temperature today. Beautiful water, as you can see. Nice and clear. Except the seaweed here. But that's natural, you know. There's always going to be seaweed on the beach, so. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to thank you all for watching. We recently hit us 1,000 subscribers like last week or 2 weeks ago, I forget, but just want to say thank you to all who's been continuing watching and supporting us, myself and Gabby. Thank you very much, guys, and hopefully you continue watching, and I'll try and bring up more content and diversify my content too. And yeah, that's pretty much sums up for this video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hopefully everybody in New Orleans is safe and the storm doesn't do too much damage or affects anybody. So we're thinking of you guys in New Orleans and the Louisiana coast and the surrounding areas. But you guys have a wonderful day. I'll give you one more glimpse of the beautiful 7 Mile Beach and the ocean. And I'll say ciao.